Philippine Olympic Committee, the Department of Tourism Region 1, the Provincial Government of Ilocos Norte, the Surfers Association of Ilocos Norte or SANE, Ikani Surf Resort, Zephyr Cafe, and of course Smart and PFD.
Also, this club is recognized by the Philippine Sports Commission and the Philippine Olympic Committee. This is the one thing that we're really proud of, the Pilipinas Surfing Tour, because we are supported by those people. Thank you guys for making this happen. And if you guys don't know, right beside me, Carl is actually the owner of Ikani Surf Resort. So I would like to take this opportunity for taking good care of the UPSA team on that beautiful resort.
You guys are very welcome. This is your second time in Ikani Surf, and we're always happy to have you guys. Always happy to host your surf events here in Barangay Balawi, Pagudpud, Ilocos Norte.
Also, congratulations for the event that you just finished. Before this event, I know you guys had a good comp that happened also here with a very good epic wave. I saw that.
Yep. Thank you so much. That was a long time coming. That's called the B-Town Boogie 2023.
Really successful event. Hopefully, we'll be able to improve also our provincial events up to the standards of the WSL, preparing everyone for that level of surfing.
"15 minutes and 40 remaining in this heat, surfers. 15 minutes and 40 remaining. Surfer in red, you are currently in first priority. Surfer in yellow, you are currently sitting on first place with a score of 2.5. Surfer in white in second. And Surfer in red, you still are yet to get your first wave.
You do have first priority, surfer in red, first priority, followed by surfer in white. Yellow deciding to take one here, close to the inside of this beach.
12 minutes remaining. 12 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. Surfer in yellow, you are still currently sitting in first place with a score of 3.5. And white in second with 1.25.
White is up and riding now. Trying to get another score with his 1.25 on his first wave. Still a really low scoring heat for heat number 5, round of 36. All right, here we go. Red using his priority. Tactical move for Surfer in red. 2 check turns for red. Still looking for that section that he could do his maneuver. Here we go. Right on the inside. Surfer in white, you have first priority. Surfer in white, followed by Surfer in yellow. Our current situation, Surfer in white still in the lead. Looking to replace a 1.25 of a score. And we have Surfer in yellow in second. 2.50 on his first wave, second wave, a 1.0. Needing a 1.26 to grab that lead. And of course, Surfer in red on his first wave. Let's see how the judges like your wave.
Surfer in yellow is paddling for this wave. Surfer in yellow's up. And is down.
In and out for Surfer in yellow. Just an update, another situation change. Surfer in red. A good score of a 4.0 on your first opening wave. 4.0 putting you to first place. Surfer in white, you're currently in second, needing a 1.51 if you want to go back to first place. And then Surfer in yellow. And in third, white and red up and riding.
Surfer in red riding that wave until the shallow part of the beach right in front of the judges. We have a paddle battle currently going on, fighting for first priority.
Surfer in red, that last wave is a 3.0, improving your score to a total of 7.0. Surfer in white, that last quick one for you is a 2.5. You're still in second place with a 3.75, needing a 4.5. And Surfer in yellow, your last wave, a 1.2. You need, let me correct myself, so situation change. Surfer in white, you're currently in second place, needing a 4.5, and yellow, needing a 2.11 with 7 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Surfer in white, you have first priority. Second priority, Surfer in yellow. We still have one more heat for our men's open shortboard, heat number 6. Who's on that heat, Carl?
So in red, we have John Paulo Imperial. In white, Mark Wendell Espinilla. In yellow, June Esquivel. And in blue, VJ Calasag. Guys, make your way to the marshals near the tower to get your jerseys.
Again, guys, from the next heat, you're only allowed to paddle out on our 5-minute mark, or the yellow flag. Back to this heat. It is heating up. We've got scores drop already. Highest score drop on this heat is a 4.0. Only says we still have good waves out there. They just have to be really patient about it. I think wave reading here at Heartbreak is very important, because when you're not in the crucial part of the wave, you really will lose that part of the section that you really need for your maneuvers. Correct me if I'm wrong, Carl, but it does look like it's how it is here in Heartbreak.
Yes, that's correct. I think the key here is taking off in the right section, because even if the waves are not that big, it closes really fast. So you want to get ahead of that white water quickly.
Apparently that paddle of Surfer in yellow lost his priority. Now Surfer in white at the back, holding on to first priority, while Surfer in red and yellow up and riding. We're about to enter our 5-minute mark, so surfers, we have 5 minutes remaining on this heat. 5 minutes. 5 minutes remaining for this heat. Kyle, give us the situation.
Right now, a score of 7. Red, you are currently in first place. Your last wave was a 3. White, you are in second place with a score of 4.6. Score of 4.5 if you want to grab first place. Yellow, you are currently in last place and needing a score of 2.11 to advance to the next stage. Surfers, you have 4 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. Surfer in white with priority.
Riding at the back, Surfer in white. Wave choices here are crucial. Might look big, but right at the end of the wave, it's not giving it the wall that he needs for his maneuver. We still have 4 minutes remaining. 4 minutes remaining.
Minutes remaining, surfers. You have 3 minutes remaining. Surfer in yellow, you still need a 2.11 to advance. Very, very achievable for Surfer in yellow. We do have that score out there. 2.11 is easy to grab. But right now, Surfer in yellow is currently has no priority yet. And 2 minutes and 30 seconds is enough time. So we'll see if yellow can grab and go to the next round. But currently, Surfer in red sitting nicely on the first position with a 7.05 score. Surfer in white, you need a 4.55 if you want to grab the first spot. Surfer in red, you are currently in the first place with a score of 7.05. White, you are in second with 4.6. And yellow, with a score of 4.5, you are in last place, still needing a 2.11 to advance. You guys have 1 minute and 50 remaining. Surfer in red, you have priority, followed by surfer in white, followed by yellow. Last 1 minute, surfers. You have 1 minute left. Surfer in red is up with priority.
Oh. Yellow
Yellow
now. Carl, I think yellow is looking for a 2.11, so let's see if this is enough. Taking and deciding to go right. A little bit of a struggle on that finish for surfer in yellow. We got 30 seconds remaining. 30 seconds remaining, and look at that. Look at that. Surfer in white, paddling, now up and riding. Taking the right. Still have a wall to play with. Here we go. Let's see. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That's it for round 36, heat number 5.
It's more than just a lifestyle, it's actually a job, and that's the way we need to approach it, and that's the way we did approach it. Since the announcement of surfing in the Olympics, amazing things have happened in our sport. 2022, we went aggressively into competition mode. We had 4 legs in 3 months, an international event in Siargao. We had our national event in Siargao, Belair, Barongan and Cabugao. We've put our focus on the youth. We have a caravan that goes around the Philippines. We go from province to province and train them and educate them on how to become Philippines' greatest surfers. We want to raise up athletes who will raise up gold for the Philippines. Without the support and love of NextGen, the next generation of surfers in the Philippines wouldn't be where they are today. Maraming salamat, NextGen, and we look forward to continually working with you.
Three, two, one. That is the buzzer for our round 36 heat number 6, our last heat for men's open shortboard. Up next, we've got men's open longboard, up and riding, surfer in red. Just a quick one. Trying to feel the wax on his board. We got a wobbly surfer in yellow, up and down. And Surfer in blue looking at this wave. Let's see if he wants it. He does, but the wave does not like him on it. So you guys have just watching here at YouTube, welcome. This is our first leg of our surf tour here in the Philippines, Pilipinas surfing, here at Pagudpud, Ilocos Norte. First priority goes to surfer in yellow, followed by surfer in white, second priority, and surfer in red, third priority, and followed by surfer in blue. Still a 20-minute heat. Not big scores yet, so we will give you guys a situation later.
"17 minutes remaining, surfers. You have 17 minutes remaining this heat. Yellow has first priority, followed by white, followed by red and blue. Yellow is up. White is paddling, white is up, chasing that section. Red, you are now in first priority, followed by surfer in blue. 15 minutes and 35 remaining in the heat, surfers.
Surfer in yellow, your last wave, a 3.50, putting you to first place. Total score of 4.0. Followed by surfer in white, a 2.01. And surfer in red in third place. And surfer in blue in fourth place. Surfer in red, you're currently in first priority, followed by surfer in blue. And then white on third, yellow on fourth. Priority. Just a quick information for the next heat, which is a men's open longboard, round 24, heat number 1. We'll go back to the format, just like earlier, we'll have it in 15-minute heat for our men's longboard. Who's onto that heat, Carl?
So the first heat for the men's open longboard round of 24, we have Jomarie Ebueza in red, Mr. Warren Lopez in yellow, and John Carlo Bersamina in blue.
So surfers, if your name was called, please get to the beach marshal, get ready, warm up, make sure your boards are all properly waxed, and get ready to surf again for your heat. Currently, we're watching the men's open shortboard round of 36, heat 6, the last heat for the round 36. We still have 13 minutes remaining. Current leader, surfer in yellow, still looking for a score to improve his total heat, the total score. Still a low scoring heat. We'll wait for that beautiful set to come in. 12 minutes and 40 seconds remaining.
Red is up with priority. We got 11 minutes remaining, surfers. Surfer in yellow, you're still currently in first place with a score of 4. Red, you have a score of 4 as well. In second place. In third place is white with a score of 2. You need a score of 2.01 to advance. And blue, you need a score of 3.6 to advance. Blue, you have first priority, followed by yellow, followed by red, and then white.
Carl, I just want to take this opportunity to thank the Coast Guards, who's always been here since the very beginning, just making sure that everything runs smoothly. We have MDRRMC also. And of course, we would like to thank Barangay Balawi, is that right? Barangay Balawi and LGU Pagudpud. Thank you guys for giving us the support that we need.
Yes. Thank you so much to Sir Hendrik of MDRMC. I think in attendance today is Sir Benny from LGU Pagudpud.
Welcome.
Welcome guys. Thank you so much for always supporting us.
Of course, the tower. Thank you for building this beautiful tower for for us for this event. Again, here we go. Out in the water, blue, up and riding. Now, white is up and paddling. Currently in third place, needing a 2.01 at the back. Surfer in red, giving that a big whack on his first turn. Third turn for
Ladies and gentlemen, Philippine Tourism Secretary Cristina Garcia Frasco.
Marag sa kanak, unay nga ada ita ditoy Ilocos Norte.
Masaya po ang bayan ng Pagudpud, ma'am, sir. Etong regalo ninyo sa ating maagang pamasko, ma'am.
Pumunta po ako dito, kasama ko yung buong leadership natin sa Department of Tourism para po i-relay sa inyo kung gaano kaseryoso yung intention natin.
Ken naragsak a Pasko kada tayo amin Ilocos Norte.
Pleasant morning to each and everyone po sa inyo lahat and welcome to our TRA groundbreaking ceremony for today.
Tonight is really a special night, not only because it is a night that we are together, because we have wonderful visitors that will truly experience the warmth of the Ilocano Christmas.
We dance through the night in our bones, we can feel it.
Through the establishment of the tourist rest area, we can signal a very bright future indeed for Ilocos Norte.
We're light up. We've been waiting for this moment to come. We were made for this adventure. We feel it in our blood. We're light up. Eyes open wide in the world.
We are here today to launch the tourism rest area for the province of Ilocos Norte to utilize tourism as a major economic pillar for the recovery of the Philippines.
We're light up. We've been waiting for this moment to come. We were made for this adventure. We feel it in our blood. We're light up.
Ilocos Norte will finally be put on the map in terms of regional tourism, and we look forward to partnering with DOT and TIESA to do so.
And we join you in celebrating the hope and the joy of the Christmas season.
Competitive surfing is more than just a lifestyle, it's actually a job, and that's the way we need to approach it, and that's the way we did approach it. Since the announcement of surfing in the Olympics, amazing things have happened in our sport. 2022, we went aggressively into competition mode. We had 4 legs in 3 months, an international event in Siargao. We had our national event in Siargao, Belair, Borongan and Cabugao. We've put our focus on the youth. We have a caravan that goes around the Philippines. We go from province to province and train them and educate them on how to become Philippines' greatest surfers. We want to raise up athletes who will raise up gold for the Philippines. Without the support and love of NextGen, the next generation of surfers in the Philippines wouldn't be where they are today. Maraming salamat, NextGen, and we look forward to continually working with you.
They're surfers.
Waves coming in left and right. Blue, red, and yellow now have their first wave. Red riding the nose until the shallow part of the beach right in front of the judges. White is up. Just wanted to thank our sponsors for this event. Thank you so much to NextGen, Tingog Party List, United Philippine Surfing Association, the Philippine Sports Committee, and the Philippine Olympic Committee. Big thank you to Department of Tourism Region 1, the Provincial Government of Ilocos Norte. Thank you so much, Gov. Matt and his team. Surfers Association of Ilocos, the local surfers club here. Thank you so much for having your spot. Surfer in blue, you have first priority, followed by surfer in white, then surfer in red. Surfers, you have 12 minutes left in this heat. In this heat of 15 minutes. Big thank you to Ikani Surf Resort as well. This is their second year hosting a national competition. First year with UPSA. Thank you so much, Ikani Surf and Zephyr Cafe, for feeding us and keeping us full. Of course, we have to thank our sponsors, PLDT and Smart. Thank you so much, PLDT and Smart.